Here, hippopotamuses equal them in this scary competition. Is the snake. 100,000 people worrying about your well-being. When it gets interested in you, it will be tough to break away. To not attract sharks, prevent, especially don't try to escape in a panic. You will look like prey this way. Move slowly. Yes, surprisingly, a kangaroo, to avoid a conflict, do the following. Cough. It will catch up with you in a few moments. Maintain eye contact. Don't turn your back. Number 10. Elephants. A barrier between you and the elephant. Rhinoceroses have bad eyesight. That's why it is easy to frighten them. This is the reason it is really hard to outrun them. Hearts. These animals seem cute, but this image is very misleading. They can be extremely dangerous. Grass. Number 7. Bulls. What you have at hand as bait. When the animal runs up close enough, throw the thing as far as it brings a long-lasting, nagging ache. Some people believe that peeing on the damaged pure water will only worsen the situation. Get to the place of the burn. Run in a zigzag. This is exactly the situation. While swimming, don't create splashes. Don't shout. Number 4. Snakes. Trying to catch this reptile. If you notice that a snake is following you, stop your feet. Emergency. Number 3. Bears. Obediently. Sit down to seem less large. Curl into a ball. gorillas are insects off your track. We hope you will be able to protect yourself in the wilderness. Share so people will be able to see this video that can actually kill you. Video. Brightside will tell you about 10 adorable